Oh hey there, I'm called Froyd, and you've caught me before I've had my first coffee. Yeah, that's right, I'm a coffee drinker. If I don't get my first cup of joe in the morning, I may as well not even bother getting out of bed, because without it, I'll be cranky for the whole day. Trouble is, my owner keeps giving me milk, and then wonders why I look at him like he's out of his mind. Milk! Who can get fired up on milk? At least put some coffee and ice in it so I can enjoy a frappe. Those are heaven in the summer. My owner is a coffee drinker, but I think he's getting tired of me tipping over his first cup of joe every morning. And quite frankly, it's a bit of a catch-22 situation for me, finding the energy to spill his coffee just so I can get my fix for the day. If only I could get him to pour coffee into my bowl, or better yet, if I had a cup of my own, or maybe even my own espresso machine. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. That's all crazy talk. But like I said, you caught me before my first cup of coffee. I'd better go get my fix, or I probably won't start making sense until Tuesday. See you next time.